Sandeep
I
Chaki,
mean, yes.
please put on your video. Tell me one thing. I have a complaint dated 11th of September 2024 in front of me. What do you do?
Actually, ma'am, I'm an advocate as well as the public prosecutor senior panel, Government of West Bengal, Siliguri Court. I am lodged a written complaint on 11th September. My lord, I lodged a written complaint. The contents is genuine.
I do not want to inquire about the genuinity of the contents. Tell me, did you prepare the complaint yourself?
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
You are the public prosecutor of the state of West Bengal. You are defending the state of West Bengal. Without the complaint.
Yes.
Do you have a copy in front of you?
Yeah.
Yeah? What does yeah mean? You are the public prosecutor? This is the way you address a court?
Yes.
Please put on your video. Tell me one thing. I have a complaint dated 11th of September 2024 in front of me.
Yes.
What do you do?
Actually, ma'am, I'm an advocate as well as the public prosecutor senior panel, Government of West Bengal, Siliguri Court. And I am lodged a written complaint on 11th September. My lord, I lodged a written complaint. The contents is genuine.
I do not want to inquire about the genuinity of the contents, right?
Okay.
Just tell me, did you prepare the complaint yourself?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You are the public prosecutor of the state of West Bengal. You are defending the state of West Bengal. Right? I will read out the complaint.
Yes.
Do you have a copy in front of you?
Yeah.
Yeah? What does yeah mean? You are the public prosecutor? This is the way you address a court?
My lord, I have my written complaint original in my custody, ma'am. Original written complaint.
Do you have it in your hand, in your mobile, something?
Original.
In front of you? I do not want the original. Do you have a copy?
At this moment, ma'am.
You do not have your
my
advocate
own
is there,
position.
who is representing
Is
you are there.
written
You have a
original
copy with
complaint.
you? Please read out.
Chamber, ma'am.
Please read out. Let everybody hear what is the complaint and the manner in which the police is proceeding. Right? Please read out.
I, Sandeep Chaki, son of late Sudhanshu Chaki, public prosecutor, Siliguri Court, Government of West Bengal, would like to lodge this FIR against above named accused person to the following effects. Since few days, I noticed one video footage became viral on.
1 minute. Is it B?
Yes, my lord, it would be became.
He is a public prosecutor. Do not smile.
My lord, maybe that.
I am going to take serious steps against the complainant if something comes out,
Lord,
and it will be there.
My lord, the drafting was done by his junior.
So his junior? He's the complainant. He doesn't know what is there in the complaint. Whatever somebody else has drafted, signed it.
My lord,
let me see how many inadvertent steps are over here. Right? So, first one, we'll calculate one by one. This is the first one. Became is not there.
My lord.
Right? Then go on.
Viral on social media, YouTube, some bodies there where above named Sudha Sil Ghosh uploaded was.
Yes, whatever.
One defamatory basis video with malified.
Yes, stop. What is the spelling? Number 2 error? Number 2 error? Very well. Next.
To harass the government of West Bengal publishing the viral fake video in respect of judgment of Honorable Supreme Court of India.
What is the spelling of judgment? Is it right?
He had
extra added. Number 3 mistake. Then
also made ridiculous comments. This video as well as media was made to injure the image of government of West Bengal as well as Honorable Supreme Court of India before the public in general.
Before the public in general. What does this mean? Before the public in general? And P becomes capital, G becomes capital. He is the public prosecutor of the state. Had it been any Tom, Dick and Harry, the court would have simply ignored this. But he is holding the post of the public prosecutor. Defending the state is his responsibility. Next.
This will create the breach of tranquility as well as the breach of peace in public in general.
Same mistake, public in general.
This act violated the provision of Indian Constitution and provisions of BNS.
All P's are caps, not required.
Therefore, it is humbly prayed before you that you will be pleased to take necessary action against the above named accused person, Sudha Ghosh, as mentioned above, as per the provision of appropriate legal forum, and you will
Right.
further please.
Now, what is the allegation? That somebody has placed certain video in the channel,
Social media.
in the social media. Now, if somebody uploads something, it is not the responsibility of that person to make it viral. It goes viral, the social media, the society at large maybe forwards it to such extent that it becomes viral. What does this person have got to do with it?
That is subject to investigation, my lord. Whether
And
he has
you have
intentionally
made it in such a manner, you are the public prosecutor. Once again, I'm saying, you have done it in such a manner, you have placed it as if the offense has been established. Is it so?
maybe that the language is indicating to us what my lord has suggested, but
Does it not indicate it to you? Does it only indicate it to the court? Is it such a complaint on which the police is required to act? There are so many complaints or so many videos which goes viral, right?
that's why my lord police has given a notice for to the petitioner to appear so that they can investigate the matter. No power. It's not the case that police has gone and arrested the accused person. These are all bailable.
You want, these are all?
Bailable section.
No. Not the rule.
Just imagine,
No,
this
I
is
don't
your
have the FIR, my lord.
submission.
I don't have the copy of the FIR right now.
This is the complaint.
Complaint.
You have made it with a particular purpose. And you know what the end result will be. It's only because you are the public prosecutor, you're appearing for the state. That does not give you any right to come up with any baseless allegation against anybody. And that too, this type, is this the standard of a complaint written by a public prosecutor? The state shall take steps. He is simply not fit to be given this post. How was this person appointed? Just pick and choose? Was any examination conducted?
No. For appointment of this, there is no such.
There is no such examination. How is the state spending money upon these type of persons who are not fit to make a complaint?
That the legal remembrances based on the practical experiences and exposure.
The legal remembrance took the practical experience and exposure of this person.
This is the general practice.
Now, this
General
practice is required to be changed.
That is, if the LR manual speaks in this way.
The state government has to take steps. Would the state government appoint a person, engage a person with this merit to act as the public prosecutor? Somebody else lodges writes a complaint, prepares a complaint, and the PP signs it, and this is the designation. Had he not written his designation, it would have been different.
Yes.
He describes himself to be the public prosecutor. It is he to whom the police comes up with all types of instructions. He is defending the police.
That intent me also. Very true. That designation ought not to.
Yes. Now, once the person has...
As an individual capacity.
Yes, he could have done it.
That I
The court would have ignored everything. But it is only because he is trying to make use of his designation as a public prosecutor that the police is taking steps. Is it proper?
No, that is not also. I will explain that part I will explain. I'm coming after that.
But relying on this complaint, I do not think the police should have taken steps.
I will make my.
Very well. Next, Otri Sharma, where are you?
I'm there.
Yes. And what is your occupation? What do you do?
I'm a legal practitioner, Lordship, in
Yes,
Siliguri.
in Shiliguri.
Yes.
Right.
District
What
Judiciary.
prompted you to lodge this complaint?
Lordship, when I saw this YouTube content, being a legal practitioner, I just thought that it is derogatory to the entire judicial system, which is last resort of common people in India, considering the scenario. So I just informed the police station. I have not written anything except that what he has stated in his video, nothing else. I have just informed. I don't know what sections are there and all. I have just informed police that this thing is on.
tell me one thing, is this the first complaint that you have lodged before the police, or these types of videos come on regular basis? Did you ever lodge any complaint?
I have seen this and I lost this. I was
So
not
this is the
after
first
this
complaint
question.
that you have lodged. Have you
Yeah.
ever seen or heard the speeches given out by the political parties against the judges and the judiciary?
Yes,
Have you ever
Lordship, I have
heard?
seen.
Did you
Yes,
ever
I have.
lodge any complaint?
No, my Lordship.
When the political parties members come out in open public and they declared that they will not follow the court's order, they are not going to comply the court's order, these judges are related to political parties, they give out whatever the directions the political parties give them. Have you ever lodged any complaint against these type of political parties?
No, my Lordship.
No.
Never.
All on a sudden, you lodge a complaint against this person and he claims.
I have nothing against this person.
Are you seriously interested to proceed with your complaint?
I have just informed the authorities about
Do
this sort
you
of thing.
still intend to proceed with the complaint?
Yes, I am, my Lord.
You are still interested to proceed with the
Yes,
complaint?
yes, Lord.
Yes. What exactly is troubling you?
Nothing. Being the part of this entire system, I thought this is derogatory. Nothing
What
else.
is derogatory? Will you please say? Which portion? Which
The way-
portion troubled you?
He was telling that Chief Justice of India was in collision with few political personalities and he is the worst Chief Justice ever and he should be impeached and he's hand in glove with the government and he's just ruining all the cases. He has
Did
taken
you
up
did you bring this to the knowledge of the Chief Justice of India? Chief
Not
Justice
yet,
of India is still holding the post. Did you bring this to the notice of the Chief Justice that this is the comment that is being played by somebody?
Not yet, my Lordship.
Not yet.
But I
Why
will.
don't you take steps? Bring
I
this
will.
to the notice of the Honorable Judge.
I will take immediately, my Lordship. It was my fault, but I will initiate immediately.
Now the state.
Well,
Yes.
my lord, firstly,
My lord,
my lord,
before
I-
this start, may I only